Hello and welcome to Prince Capital. Today I'll show you how to pull historical candlestick data from Binance using their library. I'm going to Visual Studio Code where I just opened an empty Jupyter notebook. This is the extension of this IPYNB. Okay, let's do this. For this we're first going to install their library to our local machine. For that, just head over to this link which is pypi.org. Just copy this code snippet and just paste in your terminal. Hit enter. It will install the package. Since I already installed in my local machine, it's showing already satisfied. Okay, once you install the package, we need to import this from Binance. This is a package which we just installed. Import client. We just importing this client module from this Binance package, and then along with this we need another famous data science library which is Pandas, and we're going to import that as well. For that we did import pandas as PD. Just hit enter. I'm going to select my environment. Good, it's imported. We're going to save this client instance inside the client variable. We run that as well. Inside this client instance we have a method called get historical keylines. This is the method that we want to fetch the historical keylines, means candlestick data. This is the method that we want. Okay, essentially let me explain what this is about. Okay, here's the thing. This particular method is taking the arguments of the followings. Number one is symbol examples like ETH USDT, which is Ethereum and USDT pair. This P and B BTC, which is the Binance their own coin versus the BTC likewise. And another parameter is the interval, like whether we need a 1 minute interval candle, 1 minute candle, or 5 minute candle, or 50 minutes or hours. And then the third parameter is the starting date, like what is the starting date of the candlestick that we need, and the end date as well. This is optional only. If you're not giving any end date, means it's automatically select the what is today's date. This is a parameter limit. Actually, you can able to fetch only up to 1,000 candles. If let's say you're selecting the 1 minute candle as an interval right here, it will get you the last 1,000 minutes of candlestick data only to you, and so the rest of the things. And another parameter is like a K-line type, whether you need a spot or the futures candlestick. And then here the things it returns are open, high, low, close volume. This is what essentially means OHLCV. Okay, this is the things that it returns. It's opening time and opening candle price and high of that candle, lowest price of the candle, close candle or volume, close time, extra. Okay, now we're going to pull the actual data into a computer. Okay, it's client.get historical K lines. We're going to just put three simple parameters. Number one is symbol. Let me give the ETH USDT, which is Ethereum USDT pair, and the interval. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 ms stands for 1 minute. Okay, and if you need a 15 minutes candlestick data, means you need to give a 15. And if you need a 1 hour candlestick data, means you have to give H stands for hours, M stands for minute, And if you want a 1-day candlestick data, you can give D. D stands for date. Sorry, day. Cool. Just now I need 50 minutes data is enough. Okay, intro. And finally, the starting date. And the format should be like this only. It's a year, month, and what date. Cool. Just enter. You will get the deal. Cool. Right now you can see the data that we just fetch. Okay, this is just list of lists. Just let me copy the one things from here. Cool. This is the one of the response from this list of list. Just copied. You might be wondering what this bunch of numbers are. Let me explain. For this, you have to go to the official documentation page of Binance. So here it is. Inside this Binance documentation page, which I'll give you a link in the description. Just go to the market data endpoints. Under this, here is the deal. Okay, this is the thing. This is the response that we get whenever you be using this. This get historical keyline data. If you see, this is they both look the same, right? The first thing in the response is opening time of the candle, and the second is the opening price of the candle, and the high price of the same candle, and low price, close price, volumes, which is traded, and closing time of the candle. So just going to convert this data here into the more human readable form. For this, we're going to make a function which is called TF maker. Cool. This is going to take an argument of symbol and then interval and then from date as an argument and to date as an argument. Now we are going to get the historical k-lines method. We are going to insert the symbol, interval, from date and to date. Cool. Yeah, now we're going to save the response, which is this thing into the df variable. Before that, make it to none. We have to make end data default to none. So even if you not give the end date, it will automatically set to the today's date. So now we're going to convert the response into a data frame. For that, we're using the p.data frame. This function data frame will convert the response that we get from here to a proper df. So from here, we just need all rows up to 5 columns. Yeah, those 5 columns are here. This is the time of the candle, and this is the open, this is the high, this is the low, this is the close. We just typically need, many people typically needs these column only. So only just I selected up to 5. Now we're going to name this columns as date and time. This timestamp is the date and time, and open, high, low, and close. We just named the columns of our table. Then we going to dot df equal to pd dot date of to date time. Okay, now we're going to convert this Unix timestamp to the usual format, like let's say like this. We're going to convert this timestamps into the normal format. For this we using the pd dot to date time method inside the pandas. Def dot date time, we just giving the argument date time and date time column and unit equal to ms, which is the millisecond. Good. Now it's going to return the df. Cool. We executed it. Now let's call the function and check whether it's worked. Data frame equal to, or let's say data equal to df maker. We can give a symbol as ETHUSDT and interval as 15 minutes. Interval equal to 15 minutes. And date, which means the from date to in this format. May 5, today is the 19th. Cool. Yeah, we just saved the response of our function into the data. Just open that one. Yeah, now this is good and nice looking data frame. This is the date and time. This is the open, high, low, close price of the candle. Now it's well and good to see and easily readable. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want me to make any other video on a particular topic, comment down below.